Severe dust, strong winds, and sandstorms hit the United Arab Emirates Friday. The local Met Department, NCMS, had earlier issued a warning regarding the weather conditions. The NCMS posted a video of a severe dust storm hitting the south of Dubai near the Expo Street. Dusty conditions also prevailed in other parts of the emirate. A rain alert has already been issued by the National Centre of Meteorology. The authority has urged residents to exercise caution in the eastern and northern areas of the country as thunderclouds are expected. Loose objects, trees, and weak structures may be a hazard during the storm, due to the high wind speeds. Motorists are advised to exercise caution on the roads, as residents are advised to cover the mouth and faces whenever they go out.
طاحت